This is Texas, one of the few regions in America that now feels like its economy is operating at a completely different speed. As Texas's largest cities continue expanding rapidly, new residential districts, massive office campuses, logistics hubs, and industrial facilities are appearing across the state. The population is growing so quickly that in some areas, infrastructure is struggling to keep up with the scale of the expansion. And the most interesting part is, this process is only beginning. Today, Texas is gradually becoming more than just one of the largest states in the US. It is turning into a global-scale economic center of its own. Energy, technology, logistics, manufacturing, construction, AI infrastructure, and massive migration flows within America all intersect here at the same time. The result is a constant feeling that the state is accelerating. You can especially see it at night. From the air, Texas's largest cities reveal just how enormous the system has become. Endless highway networks, illuminated industrial zones, new districts, logistics centers, and giant office campuses stretch for miles. Austin, Dallas, Houston, and San Antonio are beginning to feel less like separate cities and more like components of one massive urbanized economic machine. That is what makes Texas so important. It has become perfectly aligned with the modern world, where the most valuable resources are no longer just money, but space, energy, infrastructure, and the ability to scale rapidly. For a long time, Texas was associated primarily with oil, conservative culture, extreme heat, and endless highways. But over the past few decades, it has transformed into something far larger. Today, one of the fastest-growing economic systems in the Western world is being built here. And the growth is happening across multiple sectors simultaneously. Technology companies are opening offices and campuses at a massive scale. Industrial giants are constructing next-generation factories. Logistics companies are expanding infrastructure networks. Investors are pouring money into real estate and manufacturing, and the population continues growing at a pace that feels almost like a modern economic gold rush. And when you look deeper, it becomes clear, this is not a random boom. Texas has become perfectly adapted to the economy of the 21st century. The modern world is increasingly constrained by limited space, expensive energy, overloaded infrastructure, slow construction, high taxes, and complex regulation. Texas offers the opposite model. Space has become one of the state's biggest advantages. In many of the world's largest metropolitan areas, growth is slowing simply because there is no room left. Land is expensive, construction is difficult, infrastructure is overloaded, expansion becomes harder every year. In Texas, however, the sense of scale still exists almost everywhere. Cities continue expanding outward. New residential developments appear simultaneously in multiple directions. Highways keep widening, logistics hubs continue growing. Construction here feels less like a temporary phase and more like the permanent state of the economy. And this is especially important for modern industry, because today's economy requires enormous amounts of physical infrastructure. Data centers, server complexes, AI clusters, semiconductor factories, distribution hubs, industrial facilities, logistics terminals, and giant office campuses. In many regions, projects like these become too expensive or are limited by land shortages. In Texas, large-scale expansion is still possible. That is why some of the world's largest corporations have been moving here. Tesla relocated its headquarters to Austin and built Gigafactory Texas, one of the company's largest factories in the world. Samsung is investing tens of billions of dollars into semiconductor manufacturing. Oracle moved major corporate operations here. Hewlett-Packard Enterprise did the same. Massive logistics companies continue expanding warehouse and distribution networks across the state. But the most important part is what follows the corporations. Engineers, contractors, startups, investors, research centers, university programs, supply chains, financial services, and gradually the economy begins reinforcing itself. The more companies arrive, the more jobs are created. The more jobs appear, the more people move in. The more people arrive, the higher the demand for housing, infrastructure, and services becomes. And the higher the demand grows, the more construction and investment accelerate. Over time, the growth turns into a self-sustaining system. But space is only part of the story. Texas has also built one of the most business-friendly environments in America. The state has no personal income tax. Land and construction costs remain lower than in many major U.S. economic centers. Regulations are considered far more flexible, and permits for large projects are often approved much faster. For businesses, this means one thing above all else: the ability to expand quickly. And speed itself becomes a competitive advantage. In many major global cities, large projects can take years to approve. In Texas, new districts, factories, warehouses, and office campuses appear far more rapidly. As a result, the entire state feels like it is constantly building the future. But the true foundation of Texas is energy. If Texas were its own country, it would rank among the world's largest energy powers. The state produces enormous volumes of oil and natural gas. Massive flows of fuel, chemicals, and industrial materials move through its infrastructure. Ports along the Gulf Coast have become critically important to global energy trade. At the same time, Texas is also becoming a leader in new energy. Some of the world's largest wind farms are located here. Solar generation is growing rapidly. The electric grid continues expanding in almost every direction. As a result, Texas gains an extremely rare advantage: huge amounts of relatively accessible energy from nearly every major source at the same time. And energy is becoming the defining resource of the new era, especially in the age of artificial intelligence, cloud systems, and hyperscale data centers. Modern computing infrastructure requires enormous amounts of electricity. AI systems are already beginning to consume more power than some small cities. And while many regions around the world are running into grid limitations, Texas still has the ability to continue scaling. That is why a new industrial wave is arriving here. Across the state, new data centers, AI clusters, server complexes, cloud infrastructure systems, high-tech factories, and next-generation logistics networks are being built. Texas is gradually transforming into more than just a place to live or do business. It is becoming a platform for the next phase of the American economy. But Texas attracts people for more than jobs or money. It creates a sense of momentum. In many parts of the modern world, economies are beginning to feel finished. Everything has already been built, space is limited, and growth is slowing. In Texas, expansion still feels massive and ongoing. Cities continue growing, construction never fully stops. The economy feels unfinished, and the future still feels open. For millions of people, that becomes the main attraction. For families, it means the opportunity for more space. For entrepreneurs, it means the chance to build businesses faster. For professionals, it means being inside one of the fastest growing economies in the country. For investors, it means entering a market that is still expanding. And that creates a powerful cycle. People move in, demand increases, construction accelerates, more jobs appear, the economy grows faster, and even more people arrive. Over time, the cycle begins strengthening itself, and you can physically see it happening. In the suburbs around Austin, Dallas, and Houston, construction almost never stops. New highways, bridges, residential developments, warehouses, office campuses, and industrial zones appear simultaneously in every direction. Sometimes it feels like Texas exists in a permanent state of expansion. But that growth also creates new challenges. Population growth increases pressure on roads, infrastructure, and the power grid. Housing prices in some cities have already risen sharply. Car dependency creates enormous traffic congestion. Extreme heat and winter storms periodically place massive stress on infrastructure systems. And yet, Texas continues attracting people and capital, because today it offers something that is becoming increasingly rare in the modern world: space, energy, scale, and the feeling that the future is still being built in real time.